A major announcement late today. 367,000 more doses of coronavirus vaccine could be on the way to Florida if the FDA approves Moderna's shots tomorrow. The first group of Floridians, including some in Northeast Florida, started getting the Pfizer version of the vaccine this week. If Moderna's version is approved, more people will have access to the vaccination. News for Jax reporter Vic Michelucci is joining us live from Ascension St. Vincent Southside. And Vic, I understand you've got the list of hospitals expected to get doses.
Yeah, absolutely, Kent. And there are about 12 right here in our viewing area that are expected to get those doses either over the weekend or sometime early next week. One of those, Ascension St. Vincent's, and most of our counties are covered, which means more people will have early access to the vaccine. As frontline workers at select hospitals get the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, residents and staff at long-term care facilities are next. Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis watched on as an 88-year-old woman received hers in South Florida today, but supplies are very limited.
We could never have anticipated this a year ago.
Dr. Albert Chester is a Jacksonville pharmacist who could be giving out the immunizations. He says it's good news that Moderna's vaccine is likely days away from FDA approval. In that case, 367,000 doses would be shipped to Florida this weekend.
The Moderna and Pfizer both have, very similar effectiveness. However, the Moderna is a little more is easier to store.
Both vaccines are said to be 95% effective, and both need to be given in 2 doses, weeks apart. But Pfizer's needs ultra-cold storage between -112 and -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Moderna's only needs -13 to -5 and does not need to be diluted like Pfizer's. It comes ready to go. And timing is important because cases of coronavirus are rising to near record levels since the pandemic began. Here in Duval County, for example, today alone, the state reported 824 new COVID-19 cases. Statewide, the number more than 11,000. The state released this list of 173 hospitals in 43 counties that would get Moderna's vaccine. Nearly a dozen are in our area. They include 3 Ascension St. Vincent's hospitals, Baptist Medical Center, Mayo Clinic, Lake City Medical Center, and Putnam Community Medical Center. And Dr. Chester wanted to point out that even with vaccines here in our area and some people getting them, that does not mean that we can step back, that we can relax those guidelines from the CDC, and that we can party. He says people still need to continue to wear masks, to keep their social distance, to wash their hands, to stay home when they're sick. And he says that's likely going to continue for several months, potentially a year. We're live tonight on the South Side. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.